With the rigid connection SM1X3150R, you can connect your ADXN soft starter to a LOVATO electric motor protection circuit breaker type SM1R in a very simple and fast way, creating a compact starter, reducing the wiring and the installation time. Let's see how. Connect the rigid connection to the output terminals of the motor protection circuit breaker SM1R as follows. Once you tighten the screws, fit the rigid connection to the input power terminals of the soft starter. Along with the rigid connection, it is also included an accessory that supports the weight of the ADXN soft starter when hooked to the SM1R motor protection circuit breaker installed on the DIN rail. This accessory is reversible to fit with the 7.5mm or 15mm deep DIN rail, and it is fixed with a screw.